I hope all are you good. So today let me start GK Unit 7 Eco-Friendly, Chapter number 56 Environment Terms. Okay, so this is a crossword puzzle. This cross patch is on terms related to the environment. Many letters have been filled in to make it easier for you. So read the clues and fill in the cross patch. Okay, let me start. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 across. पहले हम फिल करेंगे across वाले, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 range of different forms of plant and animal life in a region. Range of different forms of plant. So it is biodiversity. इसको करेंगे हम नंबर 4 में फिल. across biodiversity. biodiversity. Okay, biodiversity. Next one, question number 7. A structure designed in accordance with environmental friendly principles. Okay, so it is green building. Number 7, ये हमें fill करना है 7 में. So it is green building. Where is number 7? This one. GREEN BUILDING. Green building. Okay. Next question is number 9. Process whereby organic waste such as food and paper decompose naturally. It is composting. It is composting. 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 Okay. Next one. Number 10. Fuels such as non-fossil natural gas and chemically stored electricity. It is alternative fuel. Alternative fuel. Number 10. ALTERNATIV fuel. FUELS. Alternative fuels. Okay. Next question is question number 12. Gradual increase in the average temperature of the Earth's surface. So it is number 12. Global warming. Number 12. Global warming. Okay. Next question is question number 13. Rise in the temperature in the atmosphere due to heat trapped by gases. So it is greenhouse effect. Number 13. Greenhouse effect. Okay. Fifth. Next question. Question number 14. Reduction of the protective layer of ozone in the upper atmosphere. So it is ozone hole. Number 14. It is ozone. HOLE. Ozone hole. Now can we fill the down? अब जो down puzzle crossword है उसको हम fill करेंगे, ठीक है? Now question number 1 is a modern method to conserve and use rainwater. It is water harvesting. Number 1, it is water harvesting. Rain water, जो बारिश का पानी होता है. RAIN. Rain. WATER. Water. HAR. Harvesting. VESTING. Okay. Rainwater harvesting. Next question. Question number 2. Reprocess to convert into a usable thing. Okay. So it is recycling. Number 2. Where is number 2? It is recycling. L-I-N-G. Recycling. Okay, done. Next question. Question number 3. Total set of greenhouse gas emissions caused by an individual. Number 3 is, it is carbon footprint. C-A-R-B-O-N. Carbon foot, P-R-I-N-T. Carbon footprint. Okay. Next question is question number 5. Eco-friendly method of farming in which no hazardous chemicals are used. So it is question number 5. It is organic farming. 5. Organic यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनिक एफ यहाँ पे आर आएगा, फार्मिंग. ओके, ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. आर्टिफिशियल रेजिंग ऑफ फॉरेस्ट बाय प्लांटिंग और सोइंग सीड्स इन नॉन फॉरेस्ट लैंड. इट इज नंबर 6 इज आर्टिफिशियल रेजिंग ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, अफोरेस्टेशन. जैसे डिफोरेस्टेशन होता है ना, ये होता है एफोरेस्टेशन. T-A-T-I-O-N. Afforestation. Okay. Next one, question number 8. Something that can be broken down and absorbed into the ecosystem. Okay, so it is biodegradable. 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 Okay, last one is number 11. Energy resources that we can keep producing indefinitely. It is renewable. Number 11. Where is 11? This one. Renewable. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Chapter number 56 is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 57. An environment quiz. Attempt this quiz and find out your awareness of the environment. 1. Acid rain occurs when the atmosphere is heavily polluted with. जब एसिड रेन होती है वो किस वजह से होती है, किस तरह का पॉल्यूशन होता है? इट इज सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. नंबर 2, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द रिडक्शन ऑफ द ओजोन कंटेंट ऑफ द एटमोस्फेयर? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल? सो द आंसर इज क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन. ऑप्शन ए. When is Earth Day and World Environment Day observed? 22 April and 5th June. C. Over which continent has a massive hole in the ozone layer been discovered? Antarctica. 5. Which device is fitted to motor vehicles to convert harmful gases into less harmful products? So answer is C. Catalytic converter. Now question number 6. Of the following fossil fuels, which is considered to be the cleanest? Number 6 option is A. Natural gas. Number 7. Due to the greenhouse effect, the earth is getting colder. warmer due to the greenhouse effect. The earth is getting warmer. Household and agriculture waste is generally biodegradable. Number 9, which of the following would be the most direct result of climate change? Increase in average sea level. Option is C. Number 10, spam consists of solids in the air in the form of smoke and dust. When breathed in, they cause respiratory problems. What is the full form of SPM? Suspended particulate matter. Option A. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 58. Nature cures. So this chapter only for read. Nature is a great healer. Okay, so read and find out some natural ways to cure certain common ailments. Common cold, जो हमें normal cold हो जाता है ना, put a few peppercorns, a small piece of cinnamon, a clove, a little salt and some jaggery in a pan of water. Boil it, sip it while it is hot. इसको sip करके आप पी सकते हैं. क्या होगा, इससे आपका कोल्ड जो है वो नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. इंसेक्ट बाइट, कोई कीड़ा जब काट लेता है, देन अप्लाई लेमन जूस और पीसेस ऑफ ग्रेटेड लेमन ओवर द bitten area. Grate an onion, squeeze out the juice with some clean cotton, applies the juice over the bitten area. Minor burn, dip the affected area in cold water, apply honey over the burn. And take a potato slice or wheat flour dough and gently place over the burnt area. Minor cut or bruise. Crush a few pods of garlic and apply the paste over the affected area. Crush a few tender leaves of the marigold plant, add a little gram flour basin and apply it over the affected area. Clean the affected area, apply honey over the wound. Honey is a natural antiseptic. Sore throat. जब आपका ये गला दिक्कत करता है, chew a piece of ginger with a little salt, है ना? Mix 3 or 4 crushed black peppercorns with a tablespoon of honey. Slowly lick it just before bedtime at night. Put some tulsi leaves and a piece of ginger in a cup full of water. Boil it, add a spoonful of honey and stir well. Drink it slowly. Okay? So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 59. कार्बन फुटप्रिंट, व्हाट इज इट? ये होता क्या है? अभी हमने रिसेंट पिछले चैप्टर में भी ऑप्शन फिल किया है. कार्बन फुटप्रिंट, व्हाट इज इट? सो द चैप्टर ओनली फॉर रीडिंग. अ कार्बन फुटप्रिंट इज द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज वी प्रोड्यूस. ओके, सो इट इज मेजर्ड इन यूनिट्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, द प्राइमरी ग्रीन हाउस गैस that causes global warming. Thus, it is a measure of the impact of our day-to-day activities on climate change. So, by making small changes, read on to find out how. Use energy-saving lamps. Replace bulb in your house with LED bulbs. Okay, जब हम LED bulb use करेंगे, तो उससे क्या होगा? इलेक्ट्रिक जो है कम खर्च होगी. These last 25 times longer than traditional bulbs and use only about 10% of the energy. Okay, an incandescent lamp requires. Switch off the computer when not in use. Turn off the computer when you have finished working on it. You can laser print 800 pages with the energy you waste by leaving the computer on overnight. अगर आप उसको ऑन छोड़ देते हैं पूरी रात के लिए तो लेजर प्रिंट 800 पेजेस विद द एनर्जी, इतनी एनर्जी उससे निकलती है. ओके, यूज अ कारपूल और पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. अवॉइड एडिंग टू रोड congestion whenever you can. So use public transport as much as you can. Okay, so ask your parents and friends to do the same. Install a solar water heater. Most of us use an electric geyser for our hot water. Okay, so requirements. So installing a solar fan will substantially reduce domestic energy consumption. Use homemade cleansers. Make and use your own cleaning product. Use diluted white vinegar, lime juice and baking soda to clean window and tiles. Olive oil mixed with a little vinegar makes a good furniture polish. Recycle and reuse paper. Every year, each of us throw away trees worth of paper. Although paper is biodegradable, waste paper releases methane, a greenhouse gas. So use recycled paper whenever you can. Each ton of recycled paper can save 17 trees. Also try to reduce the amount of paper you use by using both sides of the paper while printing or writing. Conserve water. A dripping tap can waste up to 10 liters of water a day and a running tap 5 minutes. Get dripping tap fixed. Also do not leave the tap running while brushing your teeth or applying soap. Use a cloth bag for shopping. Over half of the plastic waste dumped in oceans each year comes from polythene bags. So when you go to the market, never carry or accept polythene bags. Always carry your cloth bag to keep things. Use natural yarn. Most synthetic fabrics are non-biodegradable. They do not decompose naturally. Hence, use natural yarn instead of synthetic fabrics. Participate in plantation programs. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air. They help offset one's carbon footprint emissions. Hence, plant saplings in your area or donate to organizations engaged in plantation activities. Okay, so students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand these all are chapters. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you.